Hello friends, in this video we are discussing the ribozyme. These are nothing but the RNA molecule with a well defined tertiary structure that enables it to catalyze a chemical reaction. It is also called as catalytic RNA or RNA enzyme. Ribozyme either catalyze hydrolysis of phosphodiester bonds or the hydrolysis of bonds in other RNAs. Some ribozyme found to catalyze the aminotransferase activity of ribosome. Important examples of ribozyme includes self-splicing introns, ribonuclease P, etc. In this, first is self-splicing intron. Thomas Sage in 1983 found that the precursor of ribosomal RNA in Tetrahymena, which is a ciliated protozoan, undergoes self-splicing. The intron in this precursor molecule is precisely removed by catalytic activity of RNA. In Tetrahymena, 414 nucleotide intron is removed from 6.4 kb precursor to yield mature 26S rRNA molecule. In the study of splicing reaction, Thomas Sage and his co-workers established that RNA splice itself to precisely excise 414 nucleotide intron. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you.